How to create a local account on Windows 11. If you have already installed Windows 11 and wish to create a separate local account on Windows 11, follow our instructions below. Click on Start button, and then tap to open the Settings app. Move to Accounts from the left sidebar. Click on Other Users. Click on the Add Account button. From the pop-up that appears, click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. Now here, enter the name and even the password for the new local account if you want. Now click on Next. And that's it. You have successfully set up a new local account on your Windows 11 PC. You can now switch to the new local user on Windows 11 from the Start menu just like that. So, that's how you can create a local account on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and even enable the notification bell. See you next time.